I'll ask you the question in English or Malay. You can answer in Chinese if you want to. Okay? Okay. What skincare products do you sell the most and why? Apakah produk penjagaan kulit yang paling banyak anda jual dan kenapa?
Duduk bos. Belakang ada diamond lah nanti.
My name is Eva. The product that I love most and sell most is Cream LX. Because I think that the product has give us good effect and give me very good effect and make my skin younger by 15 years. And I think when I go out and share, I just show them the face, and it's very easy to say, and the high technology and the videos that I show, I think that itself promote the product, and the product actually speaks by itself. And as long as we become the product of the product, and it's very easy to promote artistry. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Eva. Dolly, are you ready? Can I have a question? Dolly, your question is, if you have the opportunity to promote artistry, what would you do and why? Jika anda berpeluang untuk mempromosikan artistry, apakah yang anda